Yes! I bought your Colgate toothpaste, the one with tartar control, and it made me feel like a piece of shit! This is bullshit! I hope this is a Puff Daddy version of the song, not that Sting piece of shit! Yes! I bought your Colgate toothpaste, the one with tartar control, and it made me feel like a piece of shit! I'm pissed! Fucking hung up my ass! Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Are you shitting me? Fuck! Asshole!
Sorry.
You can't do shit with your balls! Piss! I don't want to switch phone companies. You can stick us 5 cents Sundays up your fucking ass!
Absolutely under no obligation.
Why don't you make like a banana and shit?
Oh yeah, he's cussing.
Shit! Ass! Damn it! Piss out the window and shit out the window are 2 different things! I'll throw my shoes your faggot ass! Oh, shit! Shit! The hell was that?
Man, your son just fell down the stairs.
Well, quit it!
Ah!
I watched the first season of Alf on
Call the
DVD.
police! Call the police!
Alf.
Call the police! Horrible!
Alf.
Horrible! Worse than Friday.
93 years old, you don't know what Alf is?
Worse than Friday the 13th Part 3.
Piece of crap!
What's going on?
Shit! Fuck! Oh, shit! Damn it! I watched you try to walk a mile and buy shit! Holy fuck! Oh, fuck's sake! Oh, fuck's sake!
Danny, what do you want for breakfast?
Bacon and eggs, dear!
What?
Oh, for crying out loud! I said bacon and eggs! I have to live in this hellhole! All you ever do is stay at home and play your kids and look your ass at the same time! Shit!
I heard she was a lesbian.
That just means she likes what I like! Oh, shit! Damn it! Fuck! Ah, shit! We're gonna be out of the butt and into the fuck if we don't come up with that $36. Shit! Ow! Fuck! Ow! Shit! Ow! Shit!
Dad, you want some Twizzlers?
No!
God, they're really good.
No!
Have some.
No!
Dad, they're low fat.
Fuck!
What's your opinion on gay marriage?
I don't hate gays. But if some faggot ever tries to touch me, What?
Dad, there's a bird in the house.
What do you mean a bird?
Oh, I just flew in out the door.
Holy shit! Oh, fuck! Shit! Shit! Fuck! Shit! 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 Fuck you! Shit! Oh, fuck!
Dad, you're gonna break everything. whole house.
I'm too pissed to give a shit! Oh, fuck! Damn it! Fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck! Oh! Fuck! Holy shit! Shit! Damn it! Fuck! Oh,
Dad, you're not allowed to go back in there.
I don't give a shit! 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 Where the assholes are filthy place is the bathroom!
There's like 5 of these assholes.
Dad, Grandpa, Grandma Janelle's leaving. You both need to move your cars.
Oh, shit!
So, you want to talk some shit, huh, Baldy?
Son of a bitch! Fuck! Oh, God! Fuck! Out of fucking me and having you, son of a... God damn it, shit!